you're all at the right place at the right time. The aesthetic market, and I checked the statistics and the numbers today, currently worth $53.3 billion. That's with a B. So you're in the right place at the right time. So I guess you need to sign up for next year. So hopefully we'll get up to $60 billion. But it's all driven by the physical wellness and the well-being. People want to look good and feel good, and they're working longer, unlike other markets in the medical field. So after 30 years of consulting, I see the growth, I see the trends. I know the stock market is up and down, but this market is way up. So stay tight. And our first doctor who has an amazing success story, and it can be the same story that I could be talking about 3 years or 5 years from now for you. Dr. Tsay from California. He's actually the top Allergan injector. So I applaud you for that. He's amazing. He's made it so far. 3 years ago, in 2015, he actually was a student sitting here just like you are today. And he's come this far. He's very famous in California and now nationally. And you'll actually get to see him inject. He's gonna do a demo of a jawline, reshaping the jawline. And I must tell you, as you age, not that I'm aging, but as you age, the jawline, the neck, it's the first thing that goes. I mean, we look in the mirror from here up, forget about from here down. That's another story. So he's gonna work on the jawline, which is great, and it's something that all of you really should pay very close attention to. But his results are very natural, and that should be your goal. Natural results. Nobody wants to look overdone. And the fact that you can offer non-surgical procedures to make people look and feel fabulous is amazing. And most of what we do here is non-surgical. So right now I'm going to introduce Dr. Tsay to you, and I guess his model is now coming up. Magic on the stage, Dr. Tsay. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Hey, thanks for the introduction, Cheryl. So, gosh, 3 years ago, I was right here sitting in these same chairs as a student. I can't believe as a student. It's been so long. I still remember being excited to try to learn as much as I could, as fast as I could. And I remember how cold it was to fly from California all the way to New York City to try to learn something brand new. But I did, and I went all in. I put all my chips on the table and went all in. In fact, I even quit my full-time job as an ER doc, and now I'm practicing as a full-time aesthetic provider. So I'm really, really honored to be here on stage to talk to you guys. So how many of you guys are here want to learn some new injection skills? Raise your hand. That's awesome. Okay, all right. So if you can just pick up 1 to 2 pearls that you can bring back to your practice and implement into your business, into your art, that this trip will be worth it for you. How many of you think you can at least get like 1 or 2 little pearls? Raise your hands. Excellent. When you're looking at the injectors today, pay attention. If you're not a detailed-oriented person, become a very detailed-oriented person, because it's all in the details. Pay attention to every aspect. Pay attention to their body language. Pay attention to their stance. Look at the opposite hands. Look at how fast or slow they're moving the needle or cannula. Look at what they're doing with the other hand, because they could either be tenting the skin, tapping the skin to distract the patient. There's all these little details that you're gonna pick up on. And in fact, that's how I got the best learning, is by watching and watching other injectors and learning. So you can call me a voyeur and I'll take that.